So we are the Miners, and we are at our pool.
We're at Miner Falls, Erica Miner, Paul Miner.
Yeah, so we have our son's grad party. So this year is our last grad, and this is our second grad party here. Our daughter graduated 2 years ago, and everybody loves the pool part of the grad party.
And this pool is just getting started for the evening. I will have to say this is the light crowd. The teenagers will probably be in here in about another 2 hours and stay in there until late in the night. And many hours of enjoyment. Would recommend it to anybody.
And it will get very loud here pretty soon. This is 7 years now.
7 years, still going strong.
Oh, very, very strong. Yep. Oh my gosh, it's been a grad party pool. It's been a gymnastics party pool. It's been a pizza party pool. It's been family party pool. It's been neighborhood party pool.
After prom, after homecoming, okay, we'll keep going and going and going anyway.
Yes, it's been early spring, late fall. Yes, it's been on as long as possible and kept until it gets almost snowy. Actually, we opened it this year when it was snowing.
Yes, it
Marky came and opened the pool and it was snowing.
Big snowflakes, huge snowflakes.
So,
but lots of good memories, many more to come. Yeah. Thanks to Ale and his creative team, of course.
Unbelievable creative team. And we just, still to this day, more than we could ever ask for. Turn our place into the place. And that's, people say it, that's what pool does. Of course it does.
Brings your kids' friends closer and your friends closer. And then you put the pizza oven by the pool and then you even have more friends, which is totally fine.
Yep.
But we enjoy it. We like entertaining. And yes, no regrets whatsoever. Would do it all over again.
And it's also, outside of it being just a pool, when it's cold in the spring and cold in the fall, it's a water feature. And it's on just like this all the time because it's still not just a pool to swim in, but it's also a water feature. So that's really cool for us because we may not be swimming all the time, but the pool's running. So we love it. We love, we love dogs. Yes, we have 3 of our own. Well, 2.5.
Oh, Piper's still outside.
Oh, yes.
The 2 big ones in our room. But yes, the dogs love it too.
We're dog people and pool people.
Oh, they're out. Good.
Yeah.
The pool people are here. They're sitting in our
they
garage
come to every big party we have.
And we
go to their big parties. Their family beyond family. Yep. Absolutely talk to them. We just saw them 2 weeks ago at another job that we went up and visited them because we were close to them. So
love the pool people. Absolutely. The whole entire team. Yeah. They are like family.
Yep, for sure.
Seriously, and their families' families too. I think we did great.
We're very happy.
Come every once in a while and do like a little painting, touch up, whatever on the rocks, and I mean it does.
Keeps it fresh.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah. No, and nothing's changed as far as any of the other decor. I mean, it's holding up 7 years later like it did the day we put it in.
It's been there forever and it will continue to be there forever.
Yep. Yeah. No, we love it. And we have people walk through this gate and then stand right here and take pictures.
Yeah, and just do the breath of
and they're like,
oh.
Yes.
Foot up.
Yes, pull over, scenic overlook.
Yes.
That's what it is.
There. That's what we're going to see next time. Or that's what's just going to appear.
Wait, just watch. Karen will show up out of the blue, and it's just going to appear there.
Yeah, that's what happens with these
pool
people. Too.
They've come back many a times without us even knowing, and magical things just appear.
Like what?
So we have a grotto, and inside the grotto, Al hit a box when we first did our pool, and there was a lock on it with a combo, and the numbers for the combo were hidden all around this area, and the kids had to find the numbers, and it took them about a year.
Hunt, and they had to get clues from Ale. They gave up a couple times, and they're like, "Well, did you look here? Did you look here? Did you look there?" And then they finally got it.
They found the numbers, and you can take some pictures of the numbers. There's one down on the barrel, and there's one up there. But they found it, and then Al came back and put a different box with a different lock on it.
Oh
And there was real money in the box, I will have to
Yes,
say, like
yes.
big silver dollars. It was a
And
good time.
he did that. We didn't even know. We gone one weekend, came back, and there's a new box and a new lock. It's like, okay.
Were there new numbers?
Oh yeah, no, the whole thing was totally different. Yes, it was really cool. And they
So
ended up
lots of
giving that one too.
entertainment, yeah.
What was in the box?
Golden railroad spikes. Ask the pool guy. Squeeze
Yeah, the
things.
stress things or
Stress ball
whatever.
things. Silver dollars. Gosh, the light things. And then the second time it was more silver dollars and some Susan B. Anthony's
Yeah.
and all kinds of
But
stuff.
and pool swag. That's what
Oh,
we
and
call
pool
it.
swag.
Pool swag. Pool swag.
Yep.
When you guys
Yes.
had it open.
That squishy thing, the stress ball thing, was like a permanent fixture toy for the teenagers during that time because they'd whip it around the pool and it'd get tons of hours. And I texted Sandy, I'm like, this thing is a stress ball reliever you give out at trade shows, and this is like the best thing since sliced bread for these teenagers.
Yes, it was so
It was
true.
crazy.
That's awesome.
So yeah, it was very
Do you
cool.
still have it?
Oh yeah, it's downstairs in the basement. Absolutely.
Okay.
We'll have to go
Yes.
find it.
Oh yeah, I'll go grab it.
I-
We took it away from the teenagers because we didn't want it to get chewed up by them.
Yeah.
Yes. So yeah, no, it's been great, super awesome. It was Al, go. Honestly,
Yeah, we met with him. He did the, what's it called, diorama kind of thing where you
The
do
model.
it. Yeah, the model. And from there, we were just like, and even before that, we just kind of, he got to know us a little bit, figured out what we liked, and he took it from there. As far as like creativity, we're like, we're not creative people. We're like, have at it. And honestly, we did not know what was going to happen until like the very end.
Okay.
And we loved it, every
Yep.
bit of it. I mean, just the little details that you discovered every day, even after you were in it for a while. It's like, oh my gosh, there's this and there's this, and it's like so cool, like inexplicable. I mean,
and we still sit out here today and just
oh yeah, just
pinch
last night.
Yep.
I
Yeah.
think, oh, and they keep, he already said it, but they keep adding things. So like
Yeah.
Karen was here, not last year, but the year before, wrote stuff in the pizza oven and did a couple other little things. And so no,
We
they
switched
always,
out a couple lights that they put funny
Yeah.
sayings on and stuff. It was
Yeah.
hilarious.
so just when you think you have everything figured out, you
Yeah.
don't. So
Yep.
that's
So
cool.
yeah, very cool.
What would you tell a potential future customer?
Do it.
Yeah, don't even think about it.
Just do it.
It's beyond what you could ever imagine. I mean, it's not. This is not. You're hiring a pool company, not at all.
What is it?
You're paying for an experience, and it's going to be the best experience you've ever had in your life.
Oh yeah, experience and memories too. They're memories that you can't even put a price tag on,
Nope.
or can't even, and just the time. Like we keep saying, the kids come and their friends come, and it's
Oh
like,
yeah.
yeah,
yep.
and they're still coming. which we love,
Yes, they are.
seriously. So
And they'll probably come back even after college. I mean, after high school.
yeah, absolutely. They better.
Yeah.
Better, okay. As long as you're not going to try to get rid of them.
No, they better
No.
come back. Hear that,
No.
kids?
Yeah.
Come back.
I wouldn't try to get any bit creative yourself. Al's wildly creative. Let that go.
Yeah, don't
mean,
try to control the situation
No.
just because it might prevent something
Change
from
the
happening.
process.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
process needs to go all by itself at Al's direction. And you can have absolutely like ideas things that you want, but don't try to arrange the components. Identify the components that you want and let Al do all the arranging.
Yes,
Yes.
trust the process.
Yep.
Yep, absolutely.
Absolutely.